In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as psycholinguistics. Today, our topic is language processing. What is language processing? What stages are involved in language processing? What are some examples to know about language processing? Listeners and audience, language processing is also known as language perception or speech perception. Language processing is a process in order to recognize and interpret sounds, words, phrases of a speaker, of someone who is speaking. Whenever we are talking about language processing, it includes different stages like lexical stage, semantic stage, and syntactic and pragmatic stage. First of all, let's come to the perception, the sound stage. First of all, when someone is speaking and conveying his message to us, definitely our focus is upon his sounds. It means how the sounds he or she is going to utter and produce. So we first recognize the sounds, and we also try to distinguish the sounds, because there are some sounds, they are very similar to each other, but little bit difference in even in pronunciation and spoken form. Let's come to, for example, the sounds like fa sound and f sound, like p sound and F sound. So yes, in pronunciation they are little bit different, phonological aspects are there. So that's why we first of all focus that which sound he is going to talk about. So we also distinguish even the sounds as well. Similarly, our next focus is on the lexical stage. Lexical stage here means the meaning axis. We are going to our mental memory and we retrieve and derive meaning from our mental memory. That what is the meaning of that particular word. Listeners and audience, connected to this, we are going to another stage. The third stage, and that is known as semantic stage. And then semantically we are also focusing that either the person here meaning is which type of meaning, connotative meaning or denotative meaning. You know about connotative meaning, like either he is talking about the associative meaning, or he is talking about idiomatic or metaphorical meaning. And whenever we are talking about denotative meaning, so we say that here his meaning is literal meaning, dictionary meaning. So that's why our focus is also upon the connotative and denotative meaning, that what does he mean. Connected to this, we are also talking about the structure, the syntax, that either the sentence which is uttered by a person, spoken by a person, either it is structurally correct or incorrect. Like in English language we have subject, verb and object. So either it is structurally spoken correctly or incorrect, accurately or inaccurately. And our last stage, which we are focusing upon the language processing, that is our pragmatic stage. Pragmatic stage mean, sorry, pragmatic stage. In pragmatic stage, our focus is on the understanding of the context. That what is the context he is going to talk about. So in pragmatics, our focus is on the surrounding information as well, because pragmatics is the study of the use of language in the context. So here our focus is on the context, that what does he mean in the surrounding context. For example, if a person utters this statement that I saw a very beautiful flying bird or flying bat, for example. I saw a very beautiful flying bat. So here in this sentence you see, I'm talking about the pragmatics, for example. In pragmatics I said now bat has two meanings. One is referring to a device, for example, a tool, a sports tool, where the people, the students, or even the players, for example, they are playing cricket. So here, what type of bat the person is going to talk about? So here I'm focusing on the surrounding information as well. I'm looking to the context as well, that I saw a very beautiful. So this flying bird helps me that he's talking about the mammalian flying bird. Hope that now this concept is clear to you. Thank you.